Stop here.
Huh?
I said, stop here.
Okay, dear.
It is raining.
Yes, it is.
Look at the rain.
So much rain.
Sit on bench.
Okay, I'm sitting.
Carry umbrella.
Yes, it's raining.
Carry umbrella.
Grandma, please wash the dishes with soap.
Okay, Grandpa.
Use the dish soap.
Got it.
Let's dry the dishes.
Okay, I'll help you.
Wipe it dry with this cloth.
Like this?
Eat your meal.
Okay, dear.
That's good. Fry the eggs in the pan.
Okay, I'm stirring them.
Perfect. They're cooking nicely.
I buy milk bottle?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go upstairs, dear.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, upstairs we go. Go downstairs.
Okay, coming down.
Be careful.
I'm here.
Pour water into the glass.
Pouring slowly and smoothly.
That's right. Drink water.
Okay.
It's good for you.
I know.
Open the window, please.
Okay, I'm opening it. Oh, look, a butterfly.
It's beautiful. Let's open the door.
Okay, I'll open it.
That's right. Good job.
Dear, could you comb my hair?
Of course, dear. Come sit here.
That feels wonderful.
Close the door.
Okay. The door is closed.
Very good.
I pay the bill.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Drink milk.
Okay, dear.
It's good for you.
Delicious. Turn on lamp.
Okay. There we go.
Eat pizza.
Yes, eat pizza.
So good.
Eat more pizza.
Let's walk in the park daily.
That's a great idea, dear.
It's good for our health.
I agree. Drive carefully. Drive carefully, dear.
I will, and you too. Turn on light.
Yes, turn on light.
Light is on. We should start cooking dinner.
You're right. I'll chop the vegetables.
Okay, thank you.
I'll start now. Let's wash these vegetables.
Yes, they need to be clean.
I'll take them to the sink.
Okay, let's go. Let's stir the soup.
It smells wonderful.
Time to taste it.
Yes, please. Let's cook rice.
Okay, how much water?
Twice as much. Please sit on the sofa.
Okay, I will sit.
Very good.
Thank you. Please sit on the chair.
Thank you, I will.
That's right, sit down.
Ah, comfortable.
Hold the basket.
Okay, I've got it.
Good job.
Thank you.